Hi friends, hope everyone's doing all right today. Today we're going to plant some seeds. These seeds eventually will grow into great plants that we can put into our children's school garden. So let's get started. Remember our friends, the worms. Here are some here. There they are. They made some great worm castings right here that we collected last time, and we're going to use these worm castings. It's very good food for plants. We're going to add it to some potting soil that I've put in these bins so that that can make some really good food and help our plants grow nice and tall. The first seeds we're going to plant are sunflower seeds. These are going to be our sunflower seed beds. First, I'm going to mix in our worm castings. Put some in the front, put another scoop, put another scoop in the back, and I'm going to mix that in with our potting soil. There we go. The mixture of the potting soil and the food the potting soil has in it for the plants and the worm castings will grow some really beautiful sunflower plants. There we go. Perfect. So, as I said, the first thing we're going to grow is some sunflowers. That's what they look like when they're all grown. You can see this plant right in front of you right here. That's a small sunflower plant that's just beginning to grow. Here's what the seed looks like. Before it goes into the ground, a sunflower seed. Let's put some in our soil. When I plant my seeds, I'm going to poke a hole straight down into my soil with my finger and drop the seed in. Poke another hole. Drop a seed in. Poke another hole. Drop a seed in. Poke another hole. Drop a seed in. And on and on and on until you're finished filling your planting box with seeds. Okay, I'm going to make sure these seeds are covered, so I'm going to push the soil on top of them. Like that. Easy peasy. And then take some water and water them. Here we go. Give them a nice soaking of water. So those will grow into sunflower plants. In a couple of weeks, they're going to look like that. At the end of the summer, they will look like that with big flowers on top of them. They'll be very tall. All right, we have one more bin to do with sunflower seeds, so I'm poking my holes. Remember that those good worm castings are mixed in there, so they're going to help our plants grow nice and tall. There we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Hopefully we'll get 7 beautiful plants growing in our bin here. When they're big enough, we'll transfer them to the outdoor garden at the children's school. Put some water on it. There we go. Now we'll have to watch them, make sure the soil stays moist, and pretty soon, in about 4 days, we'll see those plants popping up. Okay. The other kind of plant we're going to do today is pumpkin plant. A pumpkin seed looks like this. Here it is. The pumpkin plants I'm going to put in a different space so that I remember which plants are which. So I have another space right here. And again, we use our finger to poke the holes all along. I'm just going to do 4 in each line. 3 lines of 4. When we put the seeds in, we'll count how many that is. You ready? 3 lines of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They're a little bit slippery. 10, 11, and 12. So 3 lines of 4 make 12. Cover them up. We've already added our worm castings here to this bin, so we don't need to do that. And give them some water. The dry seeds need water in order to start growing. It's called germinating when a seed starts to grow. They need sun, they need soil, they need water, and they need the air to start germinating. So those seeds are going to be pumpkins. All right. So I will take care of these seeds and help them to grow by watching them, making sure they have plenty of sun, soil, water, and air. And that will grow them nice and tall. Here is the root of an old sunflower plant. That was in this bin, grew in this bin last year. And I took it out so that we could grow this nice little new sunflower plant. But I'm going to save it because I think it looks really cool. All right, friends. So hopefully our plants will grow and get lots of nutrients from the worm castings that we collected from our wonderful pet worms, and nutrients from the soil and nutrients from the sun, and lots of air and lots of soil. See you next time.